In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save to OneDrive. First, open your web browser and go to onedrive.live.com. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage, so anything you save here is backed up online and accessible across your devices. When the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the Microsoft account where you want the file to live. If you already see your OneDrive home with folders and recent files, you're in the right place. Next, look toward the upper left area of the screen for the option to create or upload. In the web interface, this appears as a button labeled New or Upload, often grouped together in the top toolbar. That's your starting point for adding files from your computer. Click the Create or Upload control to reveal the menu, then choose Files Upload. This tells OneDrive that you want to send individual files from your device into the cloud rather than creating a brand new document online. Your computer's file picker will open. Browse to the location where your sample file is stored, such as your desktop, documents, or downloads folder. Single-click to highlight the file you want to save. If you're uploading more than one at the same time, you can select multiple files here by holding Ctrl on Windows or Command on a Mac while clicking. Keep in mind that larger files will take longer depending on your connection. With your selection ready, click Open. OneDrive will begin the upload immediately. You'll typically see a small progress indicator, and you can continue working in the browser while it completes. Avoid closing the tab until the upload finishes to ensure everything is saved correctly. Once the upload is done, go to My Files. This section is the main view of your OneDrive. And it's the easiest place to confirm that your file has been saved. You should now see the uploaded file listed in the folder you were viewing when you started the upload. If it doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or checking that you're in the correct folder. You can also sort by modified to bring the most recent items to the top. That's it. You went to OneDrive, used the upload option, selected your file, opened it to start the transfer, and confirmed it in My Files. With this process, your documents are securely stored online and ready to access from anywhere.